Today we have an exciting product to review that will take your home workouts to the next level. It's the S26 cycling exercise bike from Merach Fit. It's a total game changer. Stick around as I walk you through its incredible features, demonstrate how it works, and why I'm absolutely loving it. The Merach S26 features a unique dual triangle frame, ensuring ultra stability, and it can support up to 270 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. What sets this apart from all other bikes on the market is the 100 levels of infinite resistance. Whether you're into leisure exercise, cardio workouts, body shaping, or muscle strengthening, this bike has you covered. And adjusting the resistance is a cinch, thanks to the manual adjustment with friction resistance. The user-friendly LCD monitor displays real-time workout data. It's perfect for tracking your progress, which helps me stay motivated. The belt drive system ensures a smooth and silent ride, and the soft padded seat guarantees comfort during those longer sessions. I am super pleased with the convenient tablet holder for your phone or tablet and the dual bottle holders to keep you hydrated throughout your workout. Plus, it comes with Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity, making it compatible with the Merach app, Kino Map, and Zwift. I also love that the Merach S26 comes 80% pre-assembled, and with the help of the assembly guide video, you can have it ready to go in just 30 minutes. And the best part? It's so easy to move around and store, thanks to the transportable wheels built on the bottom base. Now let's do a short workout session with the S26 cycling exercise bike to see how it performs. As you can see, the LCD display shows my workout metrics in real time. I love this because it allows me to keep track of my progress. The 100 levels of adjustable resistance allows me to challenge myself and increase the intensity of my workouts as I go. And the smooth and quiet operation of this machine makes my workouts extra enjoyable. The smooth ride, the comfortable seat, and the variety of resistance levels makes this bike perfect for any fitness goal. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cyclist, the Merach S26 has something for everyone. So there you have it, the Merach S26 cycling exercise bike. It's a total game changer for home workouts. Its incredible features, ease of use, durability, and quiet ride make this a must-have for fitness enthusiasts looking for quality workout equipment for their home. I've been absolutely loving my workouts with it, and I'm certain that you will too. If you're interested in elevating your cycling experience, just check the link in the description box below to order your very own S26 cycling exercise bike from Merach Fit. Thanks so much for tuning in, and as always, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Happy cycling, everyone.